What is an organ-on-chip? A device that mimics the functions of a specific human organ. Organs on chips are primarily used for B. Medical research and drug testing. Which of the following is not a benefit of using organs on chips in research? C. Lower cost compared to traditional methods. Organs on chips technology aims to replicate the biomedical of human organs. B. Function. Which of the following is a common material used to make organs on chips? B. Plastic. Organs on chips can be used to study the effects of biomedical on human organs. C. Drugs. Organs on chips technology is also known as B. Microfluidics. Which of the following is a potential future application of organs on chips technology? C. Personalized medicine. Organs on chips are an example of what technology? B. Cutting edge. The development of organs on chips technology is driven by the need for AIs in medical research. B. Faster results. What is the process of creating artificial organs using 3D printing technology called? C. Bioprinting. Which of the following materials is commonly used in bioprinting of artificial organs? C. Bioink. What is the term used to describe the process of using living cells to create artificial organs? B. Tissue engineering. Which of the following is a benefit of using bioprinted organs over traditional organ transplants? C. Reduced risk of rejection. What is the main challenge faced in bioprinting functional organs? B. Difficulty in maintaining cell viability. Which organ has been successfully bioprinted and transplanted into a patient? A. Liver. What is the term used to describe the process of artificially maintaining organs outside the body? C. Organ perfusion. Which technology is used to create scaffolds for bioprinting organs? C. 3D bioprinting. What is the most common source of cells used in bioprinting artificial organs? A. Stem cells. Which of the following is not a potential application of bioprinting technology? C. Generating unlimited supply of donor organs.